For my flipped lesson, I will be doing it over Mexico. So my first station would be fun facts about Mexico. So this would be my video. So that would be my first video. That would be just facts about Mexico that the students could learn. So that would be my first station. The second station I would have would be where they saw the flag the whole video. So I'd print out this printout right here, and I would have tissue paper, and they could put red and green tissue paper on the flag. The next station I would have would be a printout of Mexico and all of the cities that they have. So I would have a map of all the cities, and the students could look at that map, and then they'd have to memorize the cities, and I'd have them write, and then they turn that in. The next station I would have would be making a sombrero. So I would have a little mini cup and a little mini plate with some pipe cleaners, pom-poms, some crayons, markers, pencils, whatever to decorate their own sombrero. And last but not least, I would have flashcards with Spanish words on it. I would have pictures on one, and then they'd have to match that with the Spanish word. Not only this, I would have Spanish music, Mexican music playing in the background, just make the vibe very Hispanic. And then I would also hand out some Mexican candy at the end, but at the end they would have to tell me one thing that they learned to get their candy, so that would be their exit ticket.